In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram business account in Zoho Social. Let's get started by opening Zoho Social in your web browser. On the home page, click Sign In to access your account. When the Sign In options appear, choose the Google option, then select your Google account to continue. If you manage multiple Google profiles, pick the one that's tied to your Zoho Social subscription to avoid access issues. Complete any prompts that appear, and you'll be taken into your Zoho Social dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Settings button, usually shown as a gear icon near the top of the interface, and click it. This takes you to your brand's configuration area. From there, choose Social Channels. This is the section where you connect and manage all the networks your brand uses, such as Facebook, LinkedIn, X, and Instagram. It's a good idea to confirm you're in the correct brand if you manage more than one, so the Instagram profile connects to the right place. Inside Social Channels, find and click Connect Instagram Profile. Before you proceed, make sure the Instagram you plan to connect is a business or creator account and is linked to a Facebook page you manage. This is required by Meta for third-party tools like Zoho Social. When you're ready, click Proceed. A new window may open to start the authorization process. If nothing appears, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. You'll now be asked to log into Instagram and grant permissions. Sign in with the credentials for the Instagram business account you want to connect and follow the prompts. You may see options to select which Instagram account and Facebook page to grant access to. Choose the correct ones for your brand. Approve the requested permissions so Zoho Social can publish content, read insights, manage comments and messages, and keep your connection active. If you're prompted by Meta to confirm or continue, accept those screens to finalize the link. After authorization, you'll be brought back to Zoho Social. You should see your Instagram profile listed among your connected channels, which confirms the setup is complete. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page and check again. If you run into errors, verify you have admin access on the connected Facebook page, confirm the Instagram account as business or creator, and ensure you're signing into the right profiles during the prompts. That's it. You've connected your Instagram business account to Zoho Social, and you're ready to schedule posts, engage with your audience, and track performance from one place.